Hey, it's Shelley from Best Buy Canada's blog, and this past week I've been testing out the D-Link PowerLine AV2 2000 Gigabit Starter Kit. This is a PowerLine adapter starter kit. So in the box you get two of these, you get two PowerLine adapters, you get two Ethernet cords. These PowerLine adapters can be expanded, your network can be expanded up to 16 of these PowerLine adapters. So you can place them everywhere in your home that you would like high-speed internet, and you can just plug in the Ethernet cable and plug it into your computer or your TV or whatever device you'd like to plug it into, and you can enjoy speedy internet. So I've never used PowerLine before I tested out the D-Link PowerLine adapters. Basically, PowerLine works through the existing wiring in your home. So instead of using Wi-Fi to travel, it travels along the existing wiring. This is just an image from D-Link, kind of giving you an idea of how it works. Installing the D-Link AV2 2000 gigabit adapters couldn't be easier. All you have to do is take the plug it into a standard electrical outlet near your router, and connect your device to the router via the Ethernet cable. There will be lights on the front of the adapter. As you can see here, I've got two lights on right now, and you will plug in the additional adapter after you plug this one into your router, and you will see the lights just turn on that one too. So to test out the PowerLine, I plugged it into, first I plugged it into my son's computer, which was quite a distance away from my router, and then I plugged it into my TV. One of the things you need to keep in mind with a PowerLine adapter is that it has to be plugged into the wall. It can't be plugged into a surge protector or a power bar, even if that's, in my case, the most convenient place for it to be placed, because the cord won't reach all the way to your TV. It has to be plugged into the wall to achieve the fastest speeds. To give you an idea of how fast the PowerLine is, how fast your internet is with the PowerLine, my internet provider, I have a package called Internet 600, so that's 600 megabits per second. That's my max speed. This 2000 megabits per second is obviously surpasses my max speed. So when I plugged it in directly to my TV, I wasn't quite sure what to expect. In general, with Wi-Fi, I'm usually getting about 30 megabits per second. With the PowerLine, I was up to about 80. It was about 85 was my max. Now, that's obviously not as fast as 2000, but it is pretty speedy for my home, my internet connection, and the location of my television. Every time I checked the connection, it seemed to get faster. So as I said, I maxed out at about 80. This was at 80, this was at 60, and then I maxed out at around 80. There are a lot of tweaks that you can use to get speeds that are faster than what I achieved, but I was pretty happy with that, considering that I was generally at 30 megabits per second via Wi-Fi. So that's it for my look at the D-Link PowerLine AV2 2000 Gigabit Starter Kit. You can add up to 16 D-Link PowerLines with this starter kit, so you can have internet in every dead zone in your home. Check out my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog. Thanks for watching.